Welcome sa Lutong Inato. Hello everyone, another day and another recipe na naman tayo. Let's cook beef balbakwa using the balat and lamang loob ng baka. Stay tuned and finish the video until the end. First, wash thoroughly the lamang loob at balat ng baka and then timplahan at ilagay sa pressure cooker. Then let it cook until lumambot. Then saute the spices, the ginger, red onion and garlic. And mix lang, and then let's put the bell pepper and the aswete. Mix again and let's put the slice lamang loob at balat ng baka and mix it all together. Lagyan ng soy sauce, turmeric powder, and patis. Then timplahan ng seasoning to taste at lagyan ng water. Let it cook and put the spring onion for additional taste. Yun o, luto na po ang ating balbakwa, beef balbakwa lamang loob at balat ng baka. Thanks for watching, enjoy, follow for more videos. Let's eat. Manihapon ta ninyo mga lutong kainato. Bye!